Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update CapCut apps on Android. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Play Store apps. And after this, in here you can click on the search icon at the top. And then click CapCut. Click on it. And after this, in here you can see a CapCut app, so you just click under the picture, and then in here you can click on Update. Okay, you can waiting until the process has been finished. Okay, and now finish. So that's how to update a CapCut apps on Android. Now I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.